Every great batch of kimchi begins long before it reaches the factory. It starts here, in fertile fields, where only the healthiest vegetables are selected to meet the strict quality standards required for premium kimchi production.
Each cabbage is harvested carefully to protect its delicate leaves before the journey to the processing plant begins. Korean radish adds the crisp texture and natural sweetness that make traditional kimchi unique.
Fresh aromatics provide the bold flavors that define authentic Korean kimchi.
Quality control begins before the vegetables even leave the farm.
To preserve freshness, the harvest is transported in refrigerated vehicles under carefully controlled conditions. Within hours, freshly harvested vegetables begin their journey to one of the world's most advanced kimchi production facilities. Every day, thousands of tons of fresh ingredients arrive here to begin a precisely controlled manufacturing process. Before processing begins, every shipment is verified, weighed, and inspected to ensure complete traceability and uncompromising food safety. The journey inside begins at the receiving dock, where every fresh ingredient enters a tightly controlled food-safe environment. Only ingredients that meet strict quality standards continue to the next stage of production. Automation ensures a continuous flow of vegetables while maintaining gentle handling to prevent damage. Multiple washing stages remove soil and natural debris while preserving the freshness of every leaf. Careful trimming guarantees consistent quality while reducing waste through efficient processing. Salting softens the cabbage and prepares it for the traditional fermentation process. The salted cabbage rests under carefully monitored conditions to achieve the ideal texture. After salting, purified water restores the perfect balance before seasoning begins. Removing excess moisture helps the seasoning coat every leaf evenly during the next stage. Fresh garlic, ginger, green onions, and Korean chili pepper create the bold seasoning that gives kimchi its unmistakable flavor. This signature seasoning paste gives kimchi its rich color, bold flavor, and unmistakable aroma. Every ingredient is measured with precision to guarantee identical flavor in every batch.
Each cabbage is evenly coated to ensure every bite delivers the perfect balance of flavor.
Gentle mixing protects the texture while evenly spreading the seasoning throughout every layer. Now the transformation begins as the seasoned vegetables enter carefully controlled fermentation tanks. Precise environmental control ensures consistent fermentation throughout every production batch. Inside these tanks, natural fermentation develops the complex flavors that make kimchi famous around the world. Beneficial lactic acid bacteria are carefully monitored to guarantee safe and natural fermentation. With quality confirmed, the freshly fermented kimchi continues to the final stage: high-speed automated packaging. Instead of retail packaging, this production line prepares fresh kimchi for professional restaurants and commercial kitchens. Every batch is automatically checked to ensure consistent quality before leaving the production floor. Large capacity containers help restaurants maintain freshness while serving hundreds of customers every day. A secure seal protects freshness and maintains strict food safety throughout transportation. Maintaining a constant cold temperature preserves freshness and protects the living fermentation culture.
Each order is carefully assembled according to customer requirements before shipment.
The cold chain remains unbroken from the factory to the restaurant kitchen. Specialized refrigerated vehicles keep the kimchi fresh throughout every delivery route.
From the factory, fresh kimchi is delivered daily to restaurants across the city.
The final destination is where skilled chefs transform fresh kimchi into unforgettable dining experiences. After arriving fresh from the factory, the kimchi is ready for the hands of experienced chefs.
Every serving is prepared fresh to preserve the authentic taste and texture of traditional kimchi.
Kimchi is one of the essential side dishes served with Korean barbecue. Kimchi fried rice transforms simple ingredients into one of Korea's most beloved comfort foods.
A generous serving of kimchi adds bold flavor and refreshing acidity to traditional ramen.
The vibrant colors and balanced flavors of bibimbap become even more memorable with fresh kimchi. From the kitchen to the dining table, every dish showcases the freshness of premium kimchi.
After a journey from fertile fields through advanced food technology, the kimchi finally reaches the people it was made for.
Fresh kimchi is an essential companion to Korean barbecue, balancing every rich and smoky bite.
From traditional restaurants to modern dining concepts, kimchi has become a favorite around the world.
Premium quality kimchi is trusted by professional chefs for both traditional and contemporary cuisine.
Across generations and cultures, kimchi continues to bring people together around the table.
Behind every crisp bite lies a remarkable journey of farming, science, craftsmanship, and precision manufacturing.
Every evening, thousands of meals begin with the same commitment to freshness and quality.
From traditional Korean dining rooms to modern restaurants, fresh kimchi has become a favorite, shared by millions every day.
Every fresh serving is part of a carefully managed journey. From fertile farmland to one of the world's most advanced food production, behind every serving of kimchi is an extraordinary combination of dedicated people, advanced engineering, and continuous innovation. From fertile fields to advanced food technology. From skilled hands to dining tables around the world.